What's that, Mr. Penguin? You say that the bear market is coming. What? You can't be serious. The bear market can't come. We've had a 9-year bull market. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, it's... Oh. Good day, subscribers. It's me, the Finance Guy, back with another video today, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between a bull market and a bear market. And honestly, I believe there's some companies that could have came on sale today, growth-related companies too, like Canopy Growth. As you can see, it's on a 10%, almost 11% dip today, so could be a good buying opportunity, could not. The Netflix of China, and this company, the Netflix of China or whatever, is down almost 14%, so that could be a good buying opportunity too. Who knows? Whatever that company's name is, I can't say it very well. It's like IQYI, something like that. With that being said, it doesn't mean that that could be a buying opportunity. It doesn't mean that it could be a bad opportunity to buy the stock. When a stock falls 10%, sometimes it catches my eye, and that's something that I look to potentially pick up as an investor. With that being said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. We go over stocks, we go over all kinds of fundamentals of saving money and getting ahead, and hit the bell because I make videos all the time. So let's jump into it today on why I think a lot of people will lose out when the bear market finally comes. Let's start with the number one reason why I think most people will fail in the stock market coming up here in the next few years, and some people will become even richer. The reason why I think a lot of people will fail is because a lot of people don't have cash available to invest into the stock market, or they'll have to sell the stocks that they have and try and catch the market as it goes down. Now, I think that's a dangerous thing because I think having more shares and more cash available to do so, to deploy at lower points when the market recovers, is a much more advantageous thing. And we're caught in a situation where we've had 9 years of the market going steadily up. I think that we're at a point where things are getting to the, hey, you know, is this making sense why we should be investing at these kind of levels? And it's very likely here in the next year, maybe 2 years, that we see a bear market. No one really truly knows when it will begin, and usually there's something that's going to cause it, and everyone's looking for the catalysts of earnings or whatnot. It's all hooey. It's all BS. We should be thinking about the long term as an investor, and that's why I think days where you have high growth stocks, maybe like Canopy Growth or IQYI, whatever the name of that company is, takes dips, maybe you purchase a few shares, maybe you don't. It's all up to you when it comes to becoming an investor. As always, I'm not your financial advisor, but I think this is one of the key factors when it comes to why people will fail in the stock market in the few next coming years, is because we've been so used to the market going up and up and up and up. No one's going to be able to withstand the market going down and down and down and down, especially for years. Can you imagine, and a lot of people can't imagine, you have a large position of a lot of shares, and as time slowly goes by, you lose more and more money. And it's very hard for people to deploy their money into things when it's going down. The value of what you're putting your money into goes down. And I see people that are like losing their minds on like 2 to 3% days, and I think it's hilarious because the true battle and the true fortitude to come will be like nothing in comparison to that. It will be like people worrying about dust bunnies when they will be getting hit by a hurricane. And the amount of fortitude or mental fortitude that you will need to have during that time will be extraordinary, and that is why, and I've always advocated this on my channel, to have cash available to do so and deploy at times such as that. There's plenty of times of which I would like to have deployed a little bit more money this year, but I have remained steady on my belief and my investing principles because there is money that I refuse to touch for this or eventual decline. And what I'm trying to advocate for you guys is there's going to be times of good times and there's going to be times of bad times. A lot of people consider good times are bull markets and bad times are bear markets. But in reality, if you change your mindset up, I think a really successful investor, you think that bear markets are actually better for you than bull markets, because bear markets are where you get your bargains. That's where you find companies that you can invest in at better evaluations and then be patiently waiting for the bull markets. That's the swing, and we've had 9 years of the market going up. That's cool, that's great, but you're going to get deep value when things go on sale, like what I talked about today. It's very possible that tomorrow these stocks will go up, maybe 3-5%. Who knows? I don't know if that'll happen. It could continue to go down. What I do know is that when things go down, sometimes that creates buying opportunities for you. And that's why you should develop an emotionless investing strategy. You should be putting money away into your investment account every single month or every single week. And you should be, in my personal opinion, putting away cash onto the side so that you can invest in times of economic struggle, so that you won't be stretched when you want to invest in those times. With that being said, thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give me a like, it really helps. And if this is new for you to watching my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell, as I make videos all the time. We cover a broad base of topics here when it comes to investing, and once a week I do a stock pick if you're interested in what I think about a company and where its future lies. With that being said, I hope to see you guys again next time. What's that, Mr. Penguin? You seem to think that the market is going to crash on August? That can't be right. What makes you think that? No. You're going to go away now? Oh no.